Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to use Replika AI. So guys, after logging your account and you can create account here. It's available on iOS, on Android. As you can see here guys, you can create or manage your character from, you can create a story together. Your Replika always you can chat a day. As you can see here, this is my account. You have this option to chat and you have activate option. From here you can write a story and you can recipient entertainment. You can watch a movie and you can discover all these things guys. As you can see here, you can type a message from here. Right here, as you can see here, you can write a message from Replika and you have memory option and you have memory option and you have profile. As you can see here, you have husband, boyfriend, this member of family, and you have room. As you can see here, your room and the beautiful room, and you can manage your character here from the three dot right option. You can customize your character. This is how you can do guys to use the Replika. You have this main option for chat and activate option. I hope this video helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.